My name is Hariyar Moharkar. I am junior college biology teacher in Yashoda Shinde Junior College, Bhadravati, District Chandrapur. We are studying chapter number 2, reproduction in lower and higher animals. Today we will learn parturition or childbirth, which is the process of giving birth to a baby. Humans are viviparous as they give birth to their young ones. The physical activities involved in parturition like uterine and abdominal contractions, dilation of cervix, and passage of baby are collectively called labor. Labor is accompanied by localized sensation of discomfort or agony called labor pains. Neuroendocrine mechanism. Parturition is controlled by complex neuroendocrine mechanism. Signals arise from the fully formed fetus and placenta cause mild uterine contractions. It is accompanied by rise in estrogen progesterone ratio, increase in oxytocin receptors in the uterine muscles. They cause vigorous contraction of myometrium of uterus at the end of pregnancy. The fully developed fetus gives signals for the uterine contraction by secreting adrenocorticotropic hormone ACTH from pituitary gland and corticosteroids from adrenal glands. This triggers release of oxytocin from mother's pituitary gland, which acts on the uterine muscles of mother and causes vigorous uterine contractions. This leads to expulsion of baby from the uterus. It involves the following three steps. Dilation stage. Uterine contractions begin from the top, forcing the baby towards the cervix. Contractions are accompanied by pain caused by compression of blood vessels. Oxytocin-induced uterine contractions become stronger and stronger due to stimulatory reflex. As the baby is pushed down in the uterus, its head comes to lie against the cervix. Cervix get dilated. The vagina also shows similar dilation. This stage of labor can normally last up to few hours. It ends in rupturing of amniotic membrane of fetus. Stage 2, expulsion stage. The uterine and abdominal contractions become stronger. In normal delivery, the fetus passes out through the cervix and vagina with head in forward direction. It takes 20 to 60 minutes. The umbilical cord is tied and cut off close to the baby's navel. Third, stage 3 is after birth or placenta stage. After the delivery of baby, the placenta separates from the uterus. The placenta is expelled out as after birth due to severe contractions of the uterus. This process happens within 10 to 45 minutes of delivery.